Hello guys, welcome back to Mom's Medicine. Today I'm making a very powerful shampoo using onion, ginger, rosemary, clove, and star anise. Onion juice, when added to hair and scalp, can provide extra sulfur to support strong and thick hair, thus preventing hair loss and promoting hair growth. Ginger contains gingerol, a compound that acts as a vasodilation, meaning it helps improve circulation. This increased activity is crucial for delivering nutrients and oxygen to your hair follicles. Rosemary stimulates hair follicles. It promotes blood circulation in the scalp, which is essential for healthy hair growth. Cloves also help in stimulating blood flow to hair follicles, encouraging faster and healthier hair growth. Cloves help in stimulating blood flow to hair follicles, encouraging faster and healthier hair growth. Star anise strengthens follicles, reduces dandruff, and accelerates hair growth. For the best results, use this shampoo twice per week. Okay, that is all for this one, guys. Bye.